Hello everyone, and welcome to Ice Cream Apps channel. You might need a video cropper for new content for your social media platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and others, or for private use. This is a great idea if you want to focus on a specific part of media content and remove the extra background. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to crop videos online for free with Video Candy. Head over to the videocandy.com website and click on the Crop Video Tools icon to proceed. You can upload your video from any device clicking the Add File button or dragging and dropping it. Feel free to upload files of almost any format from popular MP4 to AVI to OGG and others. We have 3 possible video cropping options, and we're going to show you how to use each one. To begin with, choose Video Ratio from the preset options. We're going to choose 9:16, but you can pick whichever ratio preset you need for your content. Leave it as is, or move the 4-arrow marker to manually choose an area to crop if you aren't satisfied with what you got automatically. Mind you, if you choose an aspect ratio, you're going to get your width and height changed according to that ratio. If you need your specific width and height without following the ratio standards, please choose Not Set and crop your video as you will. Type in the width and height values into the relevant fields to crop video online according to the needed size in pixels. We leave the basic 9:16 option to further upload it onto Instagram. Preview the file in the built-in player if necessary. Click the Export button to crop video. Use the player on the resulting page to see if you're satisfied with the output media. If not, click on Back to Editing. The difference between Back to Editing and Continue Editing is that choosing the first option, you go back to cropping, while choosing the second one, you can choose all the 15 video editing tools Video Candy has. Add music, reverse or rotate your video, change its speed, and much, much more. Simple as that. Here's how you crop a video online effortlessly and free of charge. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any new videos we post. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts on how we did. Stay tuned.